Hey everybody, how's it going? So last November, I did a piece on this horrible fucking piece of shit laptop from Acer called the Predator Helios 300. And I've already had this thing repaired twice. The first time was to get the video card working like it's supposed to. For some reason, the 3D accelerator decided to stop functioning altogether and had to take it into the shop and get it fixed. And then the motherboard just decided to, die and had to get that sent to repair. And that was like 3-4 days before I got it back. Here's the thing. I use this laptop for my day job, and it's the only thing I have down here in LA to produce my show on. I'm using it for this voiceover. I use it to edit video. I'm using it all over the place. And I was working away here, and all of a sudden, the entire right side ports just decided to stop working. The two USB ports and the headphone jack and even the power LED, which lights up when you plug it in, have all stopped working. Here's the thing, Acer. I've already had it in the shop twice. I think it's pretty clear this thing is a lemon. Now, I called up Acer tech support this morning and I said, look, you can either give me an upgrade or you can give me my money back. And they're like, well, we can repair it. And I'm like, that's simply unacceptable. You guys have sold me a lemon. And you know what? At this point, after talking with their very not helpful people on tech support, I'm not even interested in an upgrade. I just want my money back. This thing's a pile of garbage. It's a fucking complete waste of time. It doesn't work as advertised because it doesn't do what it says it will do. It breaks, it's unreliable, and it's just unsuitable to work on. Acer, I've had enough with your bullshit. Give me my money back quickly. I will return this to the closest return spot I can get. I want my money back. No excuses, no bullshit. I'm not interested in your tech support. Just give me my money back. And yes, you guys can be rest assured I will be updating you on how this progresses because I have fucking had enough of Acer.